think the most unique part of the practice is probably our commitment to patients. Includes myself as well as my office staff, and we make ourselves very available to patients at any given time. We've gone so far as to make my email address known to all patients. They can basically email me with their certain questions, concerns, and demands. And that extends to my office staff as well, and they get back to patients in a very timely fashion. So I think it's that, as well as the expertise we have to offer them in the latest techniques. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in the treatment of shoulder and elbow injuries, and I use the latest minimally invasive as well as arthroscopic techniques to treat the shoulder, elbow, and the knee. A lot of the shoulder injuries I treat tend to be athletic injuries. There are injuries such as rotator cuff tears, labral injuries. It runs the gamut up to degenerative conditions like arthritis in the shoulder in older patients. Treat injuries in the elbow, including golfers and tennis elbow. And basically from the shoulder to the elbow, treat all sorts of athletic and degenerative conditions. I was born in South Florida. I was born and raised in Miami, Florida, and then went away for my undergraduate training at Duke University. Did my medical training at the Chicago Medical School in Chicago, Illinois, and then did my orthopedic surgery residency and my surgical internship at Duke University Medical Center. After that, I did a shoulder and elbow fellowship and spent time at Harvard Shoulder Service at the Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, and spent some time overseas in Europe with a world-renowned shoulder surgeon, Christian Gerber, in Zurich, Switzerland. You know, I think it's not only about getting the pitcher back to the pitching mound, but treating his, grandmother, grandfather, maybe even mother, and trying to get them back to the tennis court and the golf course in a timely fashion. I spend a great deal of time at some of the local colleges and high schools. I'm the team physician for Palm Beach Atlantic University as well as Dwyer High School. I also see patients from Northwood as well as Florida Atlantic University, and from time to time help in the care of some of the minor league baseball teams around town. It's been one of the goals of this practice to be committed to young athletes.